Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to write down the role of backrows in plant breeding. The role of backrows in plant breeding. Yes, write down. The off-back crows, OFF, off-back BACK, CROSS crows is commonly used in plant breeding for the transfer of disease resistance and other qualities from one variety to another. First off, the backrows method is modified to produce useful segregants, segregants. First off, next subheading, intervarietal transfer of simply inherited characters. Simply, S-I-M-P-L-Y, simply inherited characters. Yes, the characters such as disease resistance, seed color, height of the plant are most suited for transfer through backrows. Full stop. Such transfers are generally successful. Next subheading, intervarietal transfer of quantitative characters. These characters are transferred from one variety to another. First off, the following are certain quantitative characters. Example, airliness, E-A-R-L-I-N-E-S-S, airliness, plant height, seed size and seed shape. First up, next subheading, interspecific transfer of simply inherited characters. It shows the transfer of simply inherited characters, generally disease resistance, from a related species to a cultivated species. Example, resistance of wild fire black, WILD-FIRE-BLACK, wild fire black from Nicotiana longiflora, Nicotiana, Nicotiana longiflora, LONGIFLORA, to Nicotiana tabacum, TOBACCUM, tabacum, TABACCUM, tabacum. First up, next paragraph, resistance to leaf and stem rust, RUST, resistance to leaf and stem rust from Triticum timophyval, TRITICUM, timophyval, TIMOPHEEVIL, to Triticum monococcum, MONOCOCCUM, etc. Full stop. Next subheading, transfer of cytoplasm. Transfer of cytoplasm. Yes, write down. The back rows help to transfer cytoplasm from one variety of species to another. Full stop. It is desirable in case of cytoplasmic male sterility. Full stop. The species from which the cytoplasm is to be transferred is used as female parent. Full stop. After 6 to 8 back crosses, comma, the genotype of the recurrent parent, RECURRENT, recurrent parent, get cytoplasm from the donor plant, DONOR, donor plant. First step. Next subheading, transgressive, TRANSGRESSIVE, transgressive segregation, SEGREGATION. It is a modification of backrows method. First up, the F1 is backrows only for 1 or 2 times to the recurrent parent for the appearance of required segregation. First up, new varieties with modifications are produced. First up, next subheading, production of isogenic lines. Production of ISOGENIC, isogenic LINES lines. Yes, write down. These are identical genotype with an exception to one gene. Full stop. The identical genes help to the effect, the identical genes help to study the effect of individual gene. Full stop. Next subheading, germplasm conversion, GERMPLASM, conversion, CONVERSION. Yes, the valuable germplasm cannot be utilized in breeding programs, comma, because these lines are photosensitive, PHOTOSENSITIVE. First up, they do not flower, 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 under the prevailing photo periods, under the prevailing, PREVAILING, photo periods. First up, such lines are used as recurrent parents, RECURRENT, recurrent parents. Full stop. In separate backrows programs used as recurrent parents, comma, in separate backrows programs. Full stop. The new lines are called The new lines are called converted lines, CONVERTED, converted lines, comma, because they show the germplasm conversion because they show germplasm conversion, CONVERSION, full stop. Next one, the role of macros in plant breeding. The role of macros in plant breeding have achieved appreciable results such as disease resistance, excellent grain quality, etc. Full stop. Certain forms show failure in the production of flower due to photosensitive nature in India. Full stop. But at ICRISAT, ICRISAT at Hyderabad has converted these lines to utilization by adopting different breeding programs. So, in this topic, we reveal about the role of macros in plant breeding program and also the advantages of macros in plant breeding program. Okay, thank you.